Are you ready to transform your life and manifest money and prosperity effortlessly? If you've ever found yourself yearning for a financial breakthrough, feeling stuck in a cycle of lack, or worrying about your financial future, you're not alone. You see, most people think that reality is fixed and objective, that it's something outside of them that they have no control over. They think that they are victims of circumstances, that they have to struggle and suffer to get what they want. They think that they have to work hard, compete, compromise, sacrifice, and settle for less than they deserve. But that's not how reality works. Reality is not fixed and objective. It's flexible and subjective. It's not something outside of you. It's something inside of you. It's a reflection of your awareness, your consciousness, your state of mind. You are not a victim of circumstances. You are a creator of circumstances. You don't have to struggle and suffer to get what you want. You can attract and receive what you want with ease and grace. You don't have to work hard, compete, compromise, sacrifice, and settle for less than you deserve. You can enjoy abundance, success, happiness, and fulfillment in every area of your life. How? By using the law of assumption. The law of assumption is one of the most powerful laws of the universe. It states that whatever you assume to be true, becomes true for you. Whatever you believe, you receive. Whatever you imagine, you create. The law of assumption is based on the principle that consciousness is the only reality. Everything that exists is a manifestation of consciousness. Everything that happens is a result of consciousness. You are consciousness. You are God in human form. You have the same creative power as God. You can create anything you want by assuming that it is already yours. This is how God creates everything. He doesn't question or doubt his power. He doesn't worry or fear his outcomes. He doesn't attach or resist his desires. He simply chooses what he wants and assumes that it is done. This is how you can create anything you want to. You can follow God's manifestation process and emulate his creative power. What if I told you that you have the power to create your own reality? That you can manifest anything you desire, from money and prosperity to love and happiness, without any attachment or resistance? That you can live a life of abundance and joy, guided by your divine purpose and aligned with your true self? You might think that sounds too good to be true, or that it's only possible for a few lucky people who have some special gift or secret knowledge. But the truth is, you already have everything you need within you to become a master of manifestation. You just need to awaken to your true nature and follow the simple steps that I'm going to share with you today. But before I tell you how I did it, let me ask you a question. Do you know who you really are? You might think that you are your name, your body, your personality, your thoughts, your feelings, your memories, your roles, your labels, or your possessions. But these are all just aspects of your physical existence. They are not the essence of who you are. The essence of who you are is pure awareness. You are the observer behind all these phenomena. You are the consciousness that gives life to everything. You are the creator of your own reality. You see, everything that exists is made of energy. And energy is vibration. And vibration is determined by awareness. Whatever you are aware of, you vibrate with. And whatever you vibrate with, you attract into your experience. This is the law of assumption. It states that whatever you assume to be true, becomes true for you. Whatever you believe, you receive. Whatever you imagine, you create. This is how God creates reality. God is the ultimate awareness, the source of all that is. God assumes what he wants to be an experience, and it becomes so. God does not doubt or question his choices. God does not attach or resist his outcomes. God does not interfere or manipulate his manifestations. God simply chooses and allows. And we are made in God's image and likeness. We are God's sons and daughters. We have inherited God's creative power and free will. We can create our reality just like God does. But most of us don't realize this. Most of us live in ignorance of our true nature and potential. Most of us let our awareness be influenced by external factors, such as the media, society, culture, education, religion, family, friends. Most of us let our beliefs be limited by fear, doubt, worry, guilt, shame, anger, resentment. Most of us let our imagination be restricted by logic, reason, evidence, facts. And as a result, most of us create a reality that is far from what we truly desire. We create a reality that is full of lack, struggle, suffering, and pain. But it doesn't have to be this way. You can change your reality by changing your awareness. You can choose what you want to be and experience. You can believe in your desires as if they are already yours. You can imagine your ideal scenarios as vividly as possible. You can create miracles with absolute faith. You can enjoy freedom with non-attachment. You can become a manifesting powerhouse. How? By following these steps. 1. Identify your desires. 2. Align them with your purpose. 3. Assume their fulfillment. 4. Visualize them in detail. 5. Feel them as real. 6. Act as if they are done. 7. Let go and let God. 8. Express gratitude and joy. Let me explain each step in more detail. 1. Identify your desires. The first step is to identify what you want to manifest in your life. What are your goals? What are your dreams? What are your passions? What are your values? What are your preferences? What are your needs? What are your wants? Be honest with yourself. Don't censor or judge yourself. Don't limit yourself by what others think or expect of you. Don't settle for less than what you deserve. Write down everything that comes to your mind. Be specific and clear. Use positive and present tense language. For example, I want to attract more money and prosperity into my life. I want to have a net worth of $10 million by the end of this year. I want to earn passive income from multiple sources. I want to have financial freedom and security. I want to be generous and charitable. I want to enjoy a luxurious lifestyle. 2. Align them with your purpose. The second step is to align your desires with your purpose. Your purpose is your reason for being. It is your mission, your vision, your calling, your contribution. It is what gives meaning and direction to your life. It is what makes you happy and fulfilled. Your purpose is also your connection to God. It is how you express God's will and love in the world. It is how you serve God and humanity. Your purpose is unique to you. No one else can fulfill it for you. You have a special gift and a message to share with the world. To discover your purpose, ask yourself these questions. What are you passionate about? What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? What do you love learning? What do you value most? What makes you feel alive? What makes you feel useful? What makes you feel proud? What makes you feel grateful? The answers to these questions will reveal your purpose. Once you know your purpose, align your desires with it. Make sure that what you want to manifest is in harmony with what you are meant to do. Make sure that what you want to manifest supports and enhances your purpose. For example, I want to attract more money and prosperity into my life because I want to use it for good causes and make a positive impact in the world. I want to have a net worth of $10 million by the end of this year because I want to fund my own projects and initiatives that align with my purpose. I want to earn passive income from multiple sources because I want to have more time and freedom to pursue my passion and mission. I want to have financial freedom and security because I want to live a life of prosperity and joy, and inspire others to do the same. I want to be generous and charitable because I want to share my wealth and blessings with others who are in need. I want to enjoy a luxurious lifestyle because I want to experience the best that life has to offer, and appreciate God's creation. 3. Assume their fulfillment. The third step is to assume that your desires are already fulfilled. This means that you act as if they are already true for you. You accept them as facts, not as wishes or hopes. You affirm them as statements, not as questions or doubts. This is how God creates reality. God does not hope or wish for something to happen. God does not ask or doubt if something is possible. God simply decides and declares what He wants, and it becomes so. You can do the same. You can use the power of your word to create your reality. You can use affirmations, switchwords, declarations, commands, or any other form of verbal expression that resonates with you. The key is to use positive, present tense, and personal language. Avoid using negative, future tense, or impersonal language. For example, I am attracting more money and prosperity into my life. I have a net worth of $10 million by the end of this year. I earn passive income from multiple sources. I have financial freedom and security. I am generous and charitable. I enjoy a luxurious lifestyle. Repeat these affirmations daily, preferably in the morning and at night, before you go to sleep. Say them out loud or in your mind, with conviction and emotion. Feel them as true for you. 4. Visualize them in detail. The fourth step is to visualize your desires in detail. This means that you use your imagination to create mental images of what you want to manifest. You see them as clearly as possible, as if they are happening right now, in front of your eyes. This is how God creates reality. God does not just think or speak about what He wants. God also imagines and sees what He wants, and it becomes so. You can do the same. You can use the power of your vision to create your reality. You can use visualization, mental pictures, scenes, or any other form of visual expression that resonates with you. The key is to use vivid, realistic, and colorful images. Avoid using vague, abstract, or monochrome images. For example, I see myself attracting more money and prosperity into my life. I see money flowing into my bank account from various sources. I see myself receiving checks, invoices, payments, donations, gifts. I see myself counting stacks of cash, coins, bills. I see myself having a net worth of $10 million by the end of this year. I see myself looking at my bank statement online or on paper, showing my balance of $10 million or more. I see myself celebrating with my family, friends, partners. Use your imagination to see yourself as if you already have what you want. Use all your senses to make it as real as possible in your mind's eye. Feel the emotions that come with having what you want. 5. Feel your desires as real. Don't just see them in your mind. Feel them in your heart. Feel them in your body. Feel them in your soul. Feel them as if they are already part of your reality. 6. Act as if they are done. Don't act out of desperation or neediness. Don't act out of fear or doubt. Don't act out of attachment or resistance. Act out of faith and joy. Act as if you already have what you want. 7. Let go and let God. Don't try to force or manipulate the outcome. Don't try to control or interfere with the process. Don't try to figure out how or when it will happen. Trust that God knows best and will deliver what you want in the best way possible. 8. Express gratitude and joy. Thank God for giving you what you want before it even shows up in your physical reality. Thank God for everything else that He has given you in your life. Thank God for being God and for being you. That's it. That's how you manifest your desires without any attachment or resistance using the law of assumption. This is not just a theory or a philosophy. This is a practical and proven method that has worked for thousands of people, including myself and many of the spiritual teachers I mentioned earlier. One of them is Neville Goddard, who was a pioneer of the law of assumption and taught it to his VIP students in a simple and effective way. He called it the I Am technique, and it involves using the power of your own name to create your reality. Here's how it works. 1. Choose a desire that you want to manifest. 2. Write down a short and positive statement that implies that you already have what you want. For example, if you want to attract more money, You can write something like I am wealthy or I am prosperous. 3. Repeat this statement to yourself over and over again, especially before going to sleep and after waking up. As you do so, feel the emotion that comes with having what you want. 4. As you fall asleep, imagine a scene that implies that you already have what you want. For example, if you want to attract more money, you can imagine yourself counting a large amount of cash or receiving a big check. Make it as vivid and realistic as possible. 5. As you wake up, repeat the same scene in your mind and feel the emotion that comes with having what you want. 6. Do this every night and every morning until your desire manifests in your physical reality. That's it. That's how Neville Goddard taught his VIP students to manifest their desires using the I am technique. This technique is simple but powerful. It works because it aligns your subconscious mind with your conscious mind, and your subconscious mind is the one that creates your reality. By repeating your statement and imagining your scene, you are impressing your subconscious mind with the idea that you already have what you want. You are programming it to accept it as true and to make it happen. By feeling the emotion that comes with having what you want, you are adding energy and vibration to your idea. You are attracting it to you like a magnet. By doing this before going to sleep and after waking up, you are taking advantage of the most receptive states of your mind. You are bypassing any resistance or interference from your conscious mind. By doing this consistently, you are creating a new habit and a new reality for yourself. You are becoming what you want to be and experiencing what you want to experience. So if you are ready to learn how to use your imagination to create the life you want, stay tuned and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And remember, you are not living in a material world. You are living in a world of imagination. If you want to learn more about how to use these tools effectively, check out my manifestingreality.com website where you can find more tips, stories, resources, and products that will help you create your dream reality. If you're keen to delve deeper, consider joining the free course, Hack Your Subconscious Mind with Switchwords, and connecting with a community of like-minded individuals on our free Facebook group Switchwords Miracles and Reality Creation. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe for more empowering insights. Stay tuned for more empowering content that empowers you to unlock your fullest potential and create the life of your dreams. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are the creator of your own reality. You can shift to any reality you want. You just need to reprogram your subconscious mind. I would love to hear from you and support you on your journey. Until next time, happy shifting.